Released but never exonerated. Back in the courtroom today, lawyers for Lewis Taylor, that's the man who spent decades in jail after he was convicted for setting the Pioneer Hotel on fire back in December of 1970.
His lawyers have new information that they want the judge to see that will bolster Taylor's chances for post-conviction relief. But they do not want the public to see that information, they say. But the victims' families are objecting. News 4 Tucson's Eric Fink was the only Southern Arizona reporter in the courtroom today. He joins us now live from the newsroom. Eric, I know you spoke to the son of one of the victims tonight. What did he have to say?
Sean, Monica, Paul DeHedeville was just 4 years old in 1970 when his father and 28 others perished in the fire. DeHedeville was supposed to join his dad in Tucson for Christmas that year. He says he has survivor's guilt and wants everything in the Lewis Taylor case to be out in the open.
And what I want is full disclosure. We as victims have a right to have an opportunity to review all documentation.
Paul DeHedeville's father, Paul Sr., died on December 20th, 1970 in the Pioneer Hotel fire. He was a lawyer working in Tucson on a case and expecting his family to join him for Christmas.
We were meant to be here. My 3-month-old baby brother had an ear infection. And so by the grace of God, my mother was not able to bring us out here and stay with my father. Otherwise, I would not be here now.
DeHedeville moved to Tucson to follow the Lewis Taylor case.
From the moment I attended Lewis Taylor's release hearing, realized that there are 29 persons that are no longer here and cannot speak on their own behalf.
I asked this grieving son if he believes Lewis Taylor is guilty.
I actually reserve judgment for a higher authority. And for those persons that think that may be corny or not want to believe that, I feel that we have a maker that we're going to meet, and ultimately we have to answer to God.
Paul DeHedeville says he would like to sit down with Lewis Taylor.
He's had a very difficult life, and I would like an opportunity to sit with him and just talk to him man to man.
Now, Taylor's legal team has until January 31st of next year to file that motion for a protective order that they want to keep under seal away from public view. This criminal case is for Taylor's post-conviction relief. Lewis Taylor has a separate civil rights case going on right now in federal court. From the newsroom, I'm Eric Fink, News 4 Tucson.